Hi everybody, it's Lynnea, and today I have an iCrafter release project. So this is the new Halloween tunnel add-on die set from iCrafter. This is new for September. This works with the original Swan Tunnel base die set. There are lots of examples on the iCrafter website, and I even have a video of you making the tunnel card the way it's intended to be made from the previous release. So today I decided to kind of go a little bit different and create a shaker card. Now there's nothing fancy about this shaker card. I took one of the little circle die pieces, I chose the house, and I die cut that from the center of an A2 size black piece of cardstock. And then I also die cut some of the little coordinating images there. I'm going to add a piece of acetate behind my haunted house. So to do that I added some double-sided adhesive, and then I just took some tape runner and added that to the back of the house as well. Now you do want to be careful because there are little windows on the house that open up, and you could take advantage of this if you wanted to create like a fun little scene card with something tiny popping out of those windows. But I was just careful to not add adhesive there so that if I wanted to pop them open, I could. Then I'm going to go ahead, once I have my acetate behind my haunted house, and add the rest of my little scene pieces onto the front of the card. I'm using some foam tape, and this is from Pear Blossom Press. This tape is amazing because it is twice the thickness of regular foam tape, so there's no need to double up. I'm just going to add some foam tape all around the shaker window here and going all over the back of my card. You do want to make sure though that you outline the circle of that haunted house. That way the shaker bits don't fall out. So you can see here that I have those, I created like a square, and then I have those little corner pieces. All I'm going to do is add some sequins onto the back of my little scene here, and this is where the acetate is. This is the trickiest part, is making sure you don't have too many and making sure that you have enough sequins. So I'm going to add an amount in there that I think is going to be good, and then I'll seal up this shaker with a piece of orange and white polka dot Halloween pattern paper. And then you can see all those fun little sequins shaking around in there, and there's that fun pattern paper background behind that spooky haunted house. I'm going to add some more adhesive at the back of the pattern paper and attach this whole card onto a card base. And that's it, the super simple shaker card using the Halloween Tunnel add-on die set from iCrafter. And you could do this style of shaker card with any of those 3 pieces from this die set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!